Happy 40th birthday, Tita Mary. We're looking forward to your next visit.
Have a great time in your celebration today.
Let's celebrate soon, Paddy.
Hip hip!
Hooray!
Surprise, Merrick! Bro, happy birthday! Hanap yan, 40 years old ka na. Welcome to the club, bro. And then, happiest birthday sa imo. And then, I know na ngayon na 40th birthday mo. You're so happy because you are so blessed. Gabos na dreams mo na achieve mo na sa buhay. Nag pretty boy Bicolandia ka. Nurse ka. RN. And then, pilot. Ano pa ba ang i-wish mo sa buhay na day mo ma-achieve? Yan ang sarong Merrick Amaranto. Gabos yung dreams. Nagiging reality. Na-achieve niya. Instant. Basta gusto ni Merrick gets it. With that, I'm very happy and proud of you, bro. And I miss you so much. And salamat sa gabos mo mga advice ako. And you're the best. Ako masasabi sa imo. I'm happy for you. I'm happy for your family. And then, sana pirmi ka lang mag-healthy. Pirmi ka lang stay healthy. And then, safe skies, Cap. I miss you. Pag uli ko, mabura kayo ulit kita. Kita lang ba ulit. And, ingat ka pirmi, okay? Enjoy your day, bro. Love you. Best friend.
Happy birthday, Merrick!
Happy birthday, Merrick.
Since na aldaw mo ngunyan, ikaw ang pinaka-poging piloto dyan sa Cebu Pacific. Papansit na ulit. Shot kong na rin. Enjoy your day.
Enjoy.
We love ya.
Birthday, Merrick!
Enjoy your celebration and God bless you always.
Grabe, 40 ka na, Rick. Burang ka na, Kuya Merrick. Anyway, enjoy your day, enjoy your celebration with fam, and hope to see you soon. Ano pa? Cheers. Yeah. Cheers, mate. See you.
Happy birthday, Captain Merrick Amaranto from Dimasalang, Santa Cruz. More tupada to come, more derby to come. Pero may mong dadandaan, may barakada kang dahil paranda na nagsusuporta sa imo, si Uncle. Happy birthday, God bless.
Kap, happy birthday. Wishing you good health and more birthdays to come. Ingat Permi and God bless.
Hey mate, happy birthday Captain Merrick. Wish you all the best and have a safe life. See ya.
Happy birthday, Cap Merrick Amaranto. Sa mga barkada kong mabuot. Kapag kumusta mo, o chat mo, ang simbag tulos, gurano ang kaibuhan. happy birthday, Cap. Ingat Permi, God bless.
Happy birthday, John Merrick Amaranto. Sana magkay ko anak mo mini version nito ni Icon. All the best, bro. We love you.
Pero maoran, sarang nilagang baka na may ugon. Sino makabukan? Excuse me.
Ay,
Aram mo tabi kung saan pwede magbakal ugob.
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 Aram mo, ma'am. Ano yan? Ang ugob, iyo lang yan ang ultimong, sabi niyang kambargada ko, iyo lang yan ang ultimong gulay na pag tinara mo, saradong musok mo. Iya! Sabi ka, okra. Oh. Talong. Ay, tayo. Pero pag sinabi, ugob. Iyo mga, ugob. Ay, nagbablog ka?
Ayun man.
Ay, pwede ako shout out lang.
Sige na.
Doon sa barkada ko, birthday kaya, okay lang.
Go.
Okay. Cap Merrick, happy birthday. Happy birthday on your 40th year of existence. May you find more success in your career, long-lasting and loving marriage, great health, and more blessings to come your way. Happy birthday, Rick.
Okay. Pero saan ako mabakal ugob?
Ay, di ko aram tabi, ma'am. Paapot na, nagalat lang kaya ako. Pasensya na.
Ba't ako mo sinabi? Baka mo pala naram.